University Teaching Hospital from 2013 to 2015. Chairman, Rivers State House of Assembly Service Commission from 2015 to 2020. And he was also the Chief of Staff to the Governor of Rivers State. He was Director of Madison Sons Enterprises Limited and Director of Uma's Cottage Nigeria Limited. His hobbies include traveling and playing table tennis. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Honorable Chidi Amadi. Could you please step forward, sir, to be sworn in?
I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria at all times. That as the, put your position, in the services of the Federal Capital Territory Administration, Federal Republic of Nigeria, I will not discriminate on the basis of religion, tribe, cult, or status, or practice any form of partiality in the performance of my official duties. I will always place service to the public above selfish interests, realizing that a public office is a public trust. I will always perform my official duties diligently and efficiently. I will not engage or be involved in any activity in conflict, either directly or indirectly, with this pledge. I will, in the performance of my official duties, eschew and expose corruption, and will also not corrupt others, or aid or abet corruption in any of its facets in and outside the public service. I will always follow the path of justice, honesty, and concord amongst all the people of the Federal Capital Territory and Nigeria. So help me God. Do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Capital Territory Administration, Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as the Chief of Staff of the Federal Capital Territory Administration, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Federal Capital Territory Administration. That I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions. That I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will abide by the Code of Conduct contained in the 5th schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And that in all circumstances, I will do right to all manner of people, according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as the Chief of Staff in the Federal Capital Territory Administration, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Federal Capital Territory. So help me God. It's okay.
The Chief of Staff is signing the dotted lines.